How to deactivate account on Facebook application. For that, first of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. From here, hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see settings and privacy. Simply tap on it. Now, go through the settings. From here, tap on your account center and go through the personal details. At last, you will see account ownership and control. Simply tap on it. From here, you will see two options. Among them, choose deactivation or deletion and then choose your Facebook application. From here, select the deactivate account and tap on continue. Now you have to hit your password and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.